Whoa, look how much damage is on this roof. Three Brothers are roofing, the solution for roof leak repair. Here we going with this project. Buenas, buenas, Three Brothers are roofing with another residential roof leak repair. So the project it's over here. We have ready our shingle and wooden asphalt to for our roof leak repair project. Okay, so now we go up to the ladder and we're gonna try to see where is that leak. Okay, so I'm gonna be working on this area. All right, so the leaking is somewhere over here, so we're gonna be removing the shingle beginning from this point all the way down to the garret. In the meantime, we're gonna be removing the siding for us to install new step flashing. Okay, so I think we find some wildwood on this area. Oh yeah. So okay, so this area, the wood is bad. We can see here, but we have to find where the water getting in. This will be the main goal at this point. Okay, and we are ongoing with removing the shingles. Okay, so we are ongoing with removing those shingles. We just find where the water was getting in, and this was getting in exactly on this point. And that was this nail popping up. That was causing the leak. And we can see the nail is all rusted right here. Three Brothers are roofing, the solution for any residential roof leak repair. Okay, so we have to remove all the shingles. Okay, so we are on continue, removing the shingles, and we're gonna replace the bathroom vents pipe for the flashing, and of course we have to replace all the barwood beginning from the lower garret by beginning of the valley. Three Brothers are roofing on residential roof leak repair project. Okay, so subscribe to our channel, give us a comment what you think about, if you like our videos, if you like the way how we do residential roof leak repairs. All right, so yeah, follow us, and most important thing, support our channel, subscribe. Okay, so Three Brothers are roofing with more than 25 years of experience. We will provide a solution and provide a 2 years labor guarantee on any roof leak repair project, or if we don't stop your problem, we will give you money back guarantee. This is the guarantee Three Brothers are roofing provide. If we don't stop your problem, so you shouldn't pay anything to us. because we are confident of what we're doing, and that's why we provide labor guarantee. Once we work on your roof leak, asphalt shingle or slate roof, chimney leak, skylight. Okay, and now we remove all the old rotted wood, and we just keep cleaning a little bit all the way under those flashing, and we can see water stain on those rafter. Okay, and now we are ready for the new plywood installation. Okay, and our plywood fits perfect, and we are ongoing with our project. Okay, step by step, Three Brothers are roofing with another residential roof leak repair. And previous roofer, I don't know what the heck they did right here with this flashing, but it's not, it's all right. I mean, that is a slab job. And so Three Brothers Roofing, we will install the right way. As Three Brothers Roofing guarantee, if we don't stop water leaking, your roof problem, we will give you your money back, 100%. Okay, and we're gonna reinforce the existing rafter because it's bad, so we are just putting another piece of 2x6 together. That's the best solution because the existing rafter was rotted due to the roof leaking, so not a problem. We replace the rafter with a new piece of 2x6, and this will go all the way down and good to go. Okay, now it looks nice and clean with the new 2x6. Okay, after we replace the rafter, and now we are ongoing with last piece of plywood installation. Okay, it went all the way through. On the point where we start install the ice shield. So here we go with the ice shield. And our ice shield we will implement under the gutter cover, and of course we will try to install under the shingle. Will be the best solution and long-term project. Here we go, step by step. Three Brothers Roofing on residential roof leak repair project. Okay, and right here we are trying to implement the ice shield up to the siding wall. This is how it looks a little bit far away, and yeah, we went all the way up to the chimney. It's, let's say, it wasn't part of the deal of my estimation, but you know, seems like for best labor guarantee, that will be the best solution. So yeah, that's what we done in this project. So right here we are just secure the old flashing, and we will install the new ones. Okay, and the new ice shield along the garret begin from this point all the way to the end, and we extend it up to the wall. And we are on the beginning of installing the new shingles, and while other partner keep on going with the ice shield. So this is our new GIF Timberline HDC shingle in color weatherwood. The beginning of the new shingle installation on this project. In the meantime, we are ongoing with the wooden ice shield. Okay, so our technician It's on the beginning with the shingle replacement. Okay, so right here our technician do the trimming of the shingle. All right, and we have to use like a new bathroom vents pipe coil flashing, not a problem. Now we are ready on the working on our step flashing, and as usual we use the special corner flashing. It will be like a seamless, so we will implement all the way behind the siding. It will guarantee no more leaking. All right, so it's installed. Now we have to do some adjustments. That is the experience over 25 years working on commercial and residential roofing. Okay, our corner flashing is installed, and we are trying to install one flashing along the wall over the special corner flashing. So here we go. It's not easy, but that means it's not impossible. And now we are installing the flashing. It will go along the wall. All right, yeah, so it's ready for the next shingle. Okay, and now we are ready for the shingle installation, and this fit perfect. Over the flashing, we install a little ice shield, and then over the ice shield, we are installing the next step flashing. It will go up. Okay, and we replace the bathroom vents pipe coil flashing, and now we are ongoing with the shingle installation. Okay, and here we go with the shingles, just trimming a little bit. And okay, so after we try our shingle, and our shingle is fits perfect, so we remove it. We add some caulking under the shingle, going with the installation. And usually we add some caulking just for security purpose. Okay, after we install our shingle, bathroom vents pipe coil flashing, we install our flashing, and now we are on the point where we are reinstall back the existing siding. Here we go with the project. Here we are installing our shingle. We're trying to squeeze all the way in, like under the close as possible. And then we are install our flashing. The valley will be beginning. Okay, step by step, 3 brothers are roofing with the project. And this is the right way to do. The flashing go all the way up. Okay, and this is how looks the project, a little bit far away. So at this point we are working on the chimney. We install a piece of rubber on the rear section of the chimney. We install corner flashing and step flashing, and good to go. Now we just add some caulking, so that way the shingles will seal each other, because usually the old shingle, it doesn't stick to the new one, because the old one is dry already, the glue that's coming from the manufacturer. So that's why it's important to add additional caulking. That's what we're doing here. We apply some caulking, so that way the old shingle, it will stick to the new one, and it's not gonna fly with a heavy wind. Okay, so here we're going with the garret installation, and we are ongoing with the project. Okay, after all the repairs where we did it, and now we are on the last step. We installing the garret cover back on place. That's it. That's it for today. See you boys tomorrow. Chop chop.